Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're excited about today's topic, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's dive in. How to make money online in 2024. Making money online can be approached through various methods, each with its own set of requirements, skill sets, and potential returns. Here are some popular ways to make money online. Freelancing. Offering your skills on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Popular services include writing, graphic design, web development, and digital marketing. Affiliate marketing. Earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. E-commerce. Selling products online through platforms like Shopify, Amazon, or eBay. This can include drop shipping, where you sell products without holding inventory. Content creation. Creating content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or a personal blog. Monetization can come from ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Online courses and ebooks. If you have expertise in a certain area, you can create and sell courses or ebooks. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing can facilitate this. Stock photography. If you're good at photography, you can sell your photos to stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. Remote work. Many companies offer remote positions that allow you to work from anywhere. Job boards like We Work Remotely and Remote.co can help you find such opportunities. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies. If you have some capital, you can consider investing in the stock market or cryptocurrencies. It's important to research and understand the risks involved. App development. If you have coding skills, developing an app and monetizing it through ads, in-app purchases, or subscriptions can be lucrative. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can tutor students online through platforms like tutor.com or VIPKid. Podcasting. Creating a podcast can be a way to generate income through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and membership models. Building a loyal audience is key to monetization. Virtual assistant. Offering services as a virtual assistant for businesses or entrepreneurs can include email management, scheduling, social media, and more. Platforms like VA Networking and Belay can be starting points. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research can earn you small amounts of money or gift cards. Sites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Taluna are popular options. Social media management. Many businesses look for individuals to manage their social media profiles. If you have a knack for creating engaging content and growing social media followings, this could be a lucrative opportunity. Print on demand. Selling custom designs on items like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without having to manage inventory. Websites like Teespring, Redbubble, and Printful offer these services. Translation services. If you are fluent in more than one language, offering translation services online can be a way to make money. Websites like Translators Cafe and ProZ can connect you with clients. SEO consulting. If you have expertise in search engine optimization, businesses often seek consultants to improve their Google search ranking. Offering your services can be done independently or through marketing agencies. Webinar hosting. Conducting webinars on subjects you are knowledgeable about and charging for attendance or selling products during the webinar. Flipping domains. Buying domain names that have potential commercial value and selling them at a higher price. This requires research and a good understanding of market trends. Peer-to-peer lending. Investing in peer-to-peer lending platforms can earn you interest on the money you lend to individuals or small businesses. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper facilitate this. Creating and selling NFTs, non-fungible tokens. If you're an artist or creator, you can create digital art or collectibles and sell them as NFTs on platforms like OpenSea and Rarible. Real estate crowdfunding. Investing in real estate projects through crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul can provide returns through rental income or property appreciation. Subscription box services, curating and selling subscription boxes in a niche market. This involves selecting products, packaging them, and managing subscriptions. Technical support, offering technical support services remotely for software, hardware, or networks. This can be done on a freelance basis or through companies that offer remote tech support. Choosing the right method depends on your skills, interests, and how much time and effort you're willing to invest. It's often beneficial to combine multiple streams of income to diversify your earnings and reduce risks. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more similar content.